Okay, today we're going to learn about a permutation. A permutation is just an arrangement of a set of things in a certain order. So, an arrangement of things in a definite order and no repetition. So what we're going to do is we get a set of fruit. We have 3 things in our set. We're going to use a big P for permutation. We have 3 things in our set: pineapples, strawberries, and grapes. And we're going to use all 3 of them and put them in order. So Lindsay, for your first pick, you have 3 choices. You can pick any one to put on a kebab stick. So we're making fruit kebabs because they're healthy. So she is doing grape, pineapple, and then she only has 1 choice left for her 3rd pick. And then Katie, you have 3 choices for your first pick. And then you have 2 choices. And then you have 1 choice. So on their first pick, they had 3 choices, 2 choices, and then 1 choice. And you guys want to go ahead and continue making all of those until you make as many as you can until they are all in a different order. So how many did you end up with? 6. We ended up with 6. They're all in different orders, and you used all 3, and we could not get any more than that. So if we did 3 times 2 times 1, this is 6. Okay, so is there a different way I could write 3 times 2 times 1? What is that?
3 factorial.
Yes, so 3 factorial is also 6. So if I wanted to come up with a formula for this, if I had any set of objects, say I just had n number of objects, and I used all of the objects, then the formula would be, what would the formula be?
N factorial.
N factorial. So that's the formula to find out how many different permutations you can make with the n set of objects. Okay, second lesson to permutations. Last time we learned about permutations. It's an arrangement of a set of things in a specific order with no repetitions. And we used all the objects in the set. Today, we are going to have a permutation with n amount of objects. And we're not going to use all the objects in the set. We're just going to use some of the objects. So R stands for the number of objects we're going to use. Like last time, we had a set of 3 different kinds of fruits. Today, I'm going to add a 4th object to our set. We're going to add some marshmallows, because we ate healthy, so we might as well add a little sugar in there. So we got 4 things in our set now. So here's a 4. That's how many's in our set. But, unlike last time where you put all of the objects on your kebab stick, I'm going to only let you choose 2. So the amount we're going to arrange is 2. So, Lindsay, I want you to pick your 2 favorite, put your most favorite on the bottom. So you have how many choices for your first pick?
4.
You have 4 choices. So your second pick, you only have how many choices?
3.
3. Go ahead, Katie, do the same thing. So I want you guys to go ahead and do this, only choosing 2 things out of all 4 and see how many different arrangements you can get. Okay, so let's see how many we ended up with.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 arrangements. So we had we had a set of 4. The first time we had 4 choices to pick from. Then we had 3, and that equals 12. So instead of having to go through this whole activity every single time, let's do a different example. Let's say we had 8 things in our set. And we're going to put 3 of those in an arrangement. Okay? So for the first pick, I have how many choices? 8. Then my second pick, I have 7 left. And then the third, I have 6. Multiply those together, and that'll give you your answer. And that's how you do permutations when you don't use all the objects.